for the AIATL 2023 Hackathon, our goal for this project was to create a LLM that outputs useful information onto a map using GIS information from Marietta County, including street names, building sizes, and intersection data. So here I have a prompt that just simply asks to annotate the coordinates of the largest building on this map. We'll run this query. And as you can see, this is the largest building on the map, and the data that we've used doesn't have a name on it, but as you can see around, it is quite large compared to the other buildings. We can also write annotate the coordinates. Give me the coordinates of the 5 largest buildings on the map. This is a little bit more of an advanced query where we check for the ability to place multiple markers on our map. It takes a little longer. We are making API calls. This is an optimization that we definitely want to pursue, speeding this process up. And if we zoom out, we get the annotations of the 5 largest buildings. Remember, our first one was our original building. And then the next ones, it makes sense that these would be the second, third largest buildings. We have a high school, we have a Walmart, a hospital, and there's another unnamed building. But as you can see, these markers have these nice little pop-ups that tell you the names of the different places. We can also try and analyze some street data and park data. So if I have a query that is annotate the intersection of Cole Street and 4th Street, and annotate the closest park to this intersection. So here we're dragging from our street data set and our park data set. The LLM is responsive enough to recognize both of these data sets. So that took a bit of time, but as you can see, we have the map annotation of Cole Street and 4th Street, and we have a park that's pretty darn close to that called Woods Park, and we have that nice pop-up that shows on that, and we have an intersection point that indicates that this is the point we analyzed. One of our future goals, which we have not optimized as well, but we would like to, is a polygon overlay. We also have uploaded parcels data that we wanted to experiment with. I'll try it and see if it works. It's not as consistent as we'd like it to be yet. So we can say annotate the parcels of land and give the coordinates that have a corresponding fire district value of, I think, can say, it's an example. say 56K. This will be interesting if it works. This polygon overlay could be helpful for different aspects, not just fire districts, but also zoning, housing, ordinances, and code. It's looking like it is thinking very hard about this. I think, okay, it looks like, unfortunately, it did not return with the result on our polygon analysis, so that is definitely a future aspect we need to look for. The code, the front end code to overlay a polygon is very different than just these markers. But yeah, we believe that we have a great start to a comprehensive LLM that can handle a lot of geolocation-based data. We proved that it can work in a structured data environment, and we would love to expand it in the future. Thank you.